Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Camlink Pro with your 4K 60 Pro for Elgato and what are the main differences between these two. So important thing to know is that the Camlink Pro does not have a pass-through output. So it's not really that great for the game capture. Also, the 4K Pro has only one HDMI, as you can see. So you can capture more than one camera. So this is something that you have to be aware of. So this is primarily the difference, is that how many cameras you need. And another thing is that if you need also, how would I call it, more cameras, and if you want to also use it for gaming. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.